Hello guys, you're going to love these 3 ingredient cookies. Like you can literally make these cookies with 3 ingredients, and these cookies were so yummy. So this is a video you want to carefully watch to the end because you're going to learn how to make these 3 ingredient cookies. Like it was made with just 3 ingredients, and these cookies you're seeing here was also baked without oven. So if you don't have an oven and you just have these 3 ingredients, this cookie will come in handy. Like guys, this is so simple, and I'm so super excited to share this cookies recipe because it was so yummy and it was melt in the mouth. Continue watching as I walk you through. So the first ingredient we are going to be using is flour, and as you guys can see, I transferred it into a sifter and I'm sifting the flour. Okay, so you shouldn't skip this particular step because we need to trap every unwanted particles. We don't want dirt and particles in our flour, so make sure you sift your flour. Now secondly, this is called icing sugar, okay, or powdered sugar, as you guys can see, and it was sifted also into the flour. Guys, I'm super excited to share this recipe because it was so yummy and simple to come up with. So if you've not tried cookies recipes before, this will be your go-to. Okay, so you're going to mix these 2 ingredients together carefully. Just take your time to incorporate the powdered sugar or icing sugar with the flour. Okay, so after that, you're going to be adding margarine. Okay, you're going to add the margarine and you're going to incorporate the margarine in the flour. Okay, no worry, I'm going to be leaving the recipe measurement. Okay, so you can check the measurement and make your own yummy cookies. So guys, just mix and mix. Okay, you're going to mix this till you get a non-sticky dough. Guys, this cookie recipe is what you want to try. You've been looking for a very simple 3 ingredient cookie recipe. This is your go-to. Once you test this cookie, as you're putting it in your mouth, is melting itself, and it was so yummy. My children finished it. Like we literally enjoyed these cookies. So guys, like I said, it's just 3 ingredients. Just 3 ingredients. Yeah, this is just what we need. Yes, to come up with these cookies. Are you surprised that you can make yummy cookies like this with just 3 ingredients? So these ingredients I just added are just all you need to come up with these cookies. Guys, just follow the process and replicate, and you are going to definitely get it just from the first try. So if you're a newbie in making cookies, start with this simple and yummy cookies recipe. So as you guys can see, we have the cookie dough here. Okay, so this is what we have, and the next thing we are going to do, okay, is to transfer it, of course, to a flat surface. You don't need to refrigerate, okay, because some refrigerate, but no, we don't need to refrigerate. Yes, we're going to start making our cookies. Like we're going to use a rolling pin to flatten our cookies, cookie dough. Okay, just flatten like so. So if you don't have a refrigerator, okay, you can still enjoy your cookies. Like you must not refrigerate it at this point, okay? Yes, you can literally, you know, go ahead flattening it like this without refrigerating, and it's going to still hold. So this is a round cutter we're going to be using to cut out a circle shape. As you guys see me do, you can just do any shape you want. So this is where your creativity comes into play. You can use anything you have, you can just be creative, any shape you want, anyhow you want it. So this is where your creativity comes into play. So I just want to do this. Like I'm using a circle shape, you can use star, you can use heart shape, just anything you have, just to come up with a good design. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm removing the excess. Okay, just do it this way, remove the excess, leaving the circle shaped cookie dough, okay, behind. Okay, just carefully, just take your time. Of course, you have to be very careful, okay, removing all those excess so that you can be left, okay, with the rounded or round cookie dough shape. Okay, so like guys, you can just use your creativity here, like I said. Okay, so I'm doing something different. Okay, I'm still going to go ahead to give it another shape. So like I said, this is where your creativity comes into play. This is where you can do whatever you want with your cookie dough, any shape you want your cookie dough or your cookies to look like. Okay, this is the point you are going to do that. And this is another cutter here, guys, just to indent another fine design, like a sunflower design, as you guys can see. So once I press it, okay, to just give me that design. Okay, you can use anything you want, press it on the dough, it's going to give you that design. And as you guys can see, this sunflower design is just looking good. Like our dough is not just yummy, it's looking good to the eyes. Like it's like sunflower. Like I just, you know, just be creative about it. So the next thing you're going to do is just to carefully transfer it into a baking tray. You have to be careful at this point. Okay, you have to pamper the dough. Remember, it was not refrigerated. Like you have to pamper the dough, just gently, you know, transfer it into a baking tray like you see me do. Okay, so after that, like I say, we are using we are baking without an oven, and I have a pot here, place a stand inside, and we are going to place the cookies dough, right? And we're going to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes on low medium heat. And guys, that is just how you can come up with this cookie. As you guys can see, our cookie is looking so beautiful, guys. Like as you guys can see, it's done already. Okay, so once it's done, you're going to remove from heat, and this is what we have, guys. These cookies was so yummy. And as you guys can see, okay, just transfer into a plate, you know, leave to cook completely, and guys, you enjoy. Like I said, I and my children, like, we enjoy this cook. As you're dropping it in your mouth, is melting. It was so yummy. Just the ingredients, you can come up with this. You have your flour, you have your margarine, you have your powdered sugar, or aka icing sugar, and you can make this yummy cookies this season and enjoy with your family. Okay, and make sure that you store in an airtight container. And guys, are you trying this out? Like, are you going to try this out? Are you seeing how the inside looks so yummy, like yummy looking? And that was how it really tasted. So make sure you try it out. I'm going to be leaving the list of ingredients and their measurements so that you check it out and try it out. And don't forget to give me a feedback. Thank you so much, guys, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Enjoy yourselves, and bye for now.